Alright guys, so the ingredients we're going to need today is olive oil, a fork, a spoon, a spatula, a knife, some cherry tomatoes, salt and pepper, 3 eggs, or 2 big eggs, some Tasmanian bull kelp, this is incredible stuff, and a fry pan. Alright guys, we're back in the kitchen. Start off, step number 1. Eggs, smash them through. 3, 2, 1. This is a skill I've been perfecting for quite some time, one-handed. This is true life skills right here. Eggs are one of my favorite snack, breakfast, lunch, or dinner, or even just on the go, preparing it before a road trip or, you know, a big day out. You wanna make sure that the eggs are organic, okay? So the thing about organic eggs and non-organic eggs, people think they're exactly the same, but they're not, okay? The fats and the protein within the eggs, with an organic egg, is much more healthier for you. The ratio of healthy fats is gonna be much more beneficial and absorbable in the human body. So my recommendation, always get organic eggs. Yes, they're a little bit more expensive, but at the same time, it's so much healthier for you, and health comes first. So then what we're gonna do is put the heat on the stove, put a little bit of olive oil, make sure you measure what you put on, about a tablespoon and a half. Now the secret ingredient we're going to put in here is some Tasmanian kelp. This is super high in vitamins and minerals, really good for the body. Apparently the story behind this is that there was a farmer in Tasmania, and in the morning all his cows would disappear. He had no idea where the cows were. So the farmer the next morning woke up super early and went to the paddocks, followed the cows to see where they went, and they went all the way down to the water to eat the kelp, because the kelp has more nutrition than the grass. So the cows are like, I'm not having that grass, that's not very nutritious compared to the kelp. Really high source of iodine, which is really good for the thyroid and really good for the metabolism. So the key with the omelette is to cook it really slowly. Okay, you don't want to overdo it. If you burn it, it's going to be really hard to get off from the fry pan. So by cooking it really slow, going to get the spatula, flip it over, put it onto the plate and serve it up. And there you have it guys, this is the omelette with the kelp inside it. I'm super excited to try it out. And if you want, put some lettuce on the side from our beautiful lettuce jar from before. Bon appetit!